Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change avatar on Facebook. So the first thing you want to do is open your Facebook app, alright? After opening your Facebook app, you want to click on this page right here. Once you do that, then you click on your name right here, alright? So the next thing you want to do is click on edit profile, okay? So the next thing you want to do is create avatar and show on profile. So for you, if you've already created an avatar, all you want to do is click on edit avatar, okay? All right, so here we go. So this is our avatar. So you can you can change whatever settings you want. You can give it glasses, you can change the shoes, joggers. So whatever you want, you can change the top, you can change the bottom, trousers. So if you want to delete your avatar, like you want to delete it, you don't like it and you want to create a new one, all you have to do is just click on these three buttons right here and click on delete avatar, okay? Delete. Alright, so once you delete an avatar, this is where you can create a new one. All you have to do is just click on create avatar, then you follow the steps, okay? So if you gained something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.